Namaste everyone, today I am going to discuss how to create a quiz on Google Form. The instructions I am using for it are common for mobile as well as for your laptop. So first of all, click on the Chrome button. The Google window will open. Now in the search box, search for Google Forms. I am using the shortest way. So when you will search on Google Forms, the following websites will open and you have to search for Google Forms sign in. See the address also and click on it. When you will click on sign in, it will ask for your email and password. So fill your email here. Then click on the next button. You can see next button here. Click on it. Then it will ask for your password. Fill your password and again click on the next button. And now the untitled form window will be opened. Now I am changing my mobile mode in the desktop form so that the format of form will be common for mobile and desktop. Click on the option and select the tab desktop site. A box is there. When you will click on it, it will be checked. So when you will click on it, this window will be opened. Now you have to click on the blank form to start a new form. When you will click on the plus button, this will open and now give title to your form by just clicking on untitled form. For example, I am naming it 7th Maths. Now press the enter button. Then automatically it will select the title of the form. You can change it, but remember here the message is coming all changes saved in the drive, means your form is automatically saved in your Google Drive. So change the title. For example, I am writing here school name. And in the description of the school name, I am writing the description of my paper, that is class 7, then subject maths, and maximum marks 20. Now automatically first untitled question will appear on your form, but I am changing it to the short answer by clicking on multiple choice, and I will write name here because we require to collect the names of the students also. So write name and make it required. Required button is there, on it. Now click on the plus button to add next question. When you will click, automatically next question will be added. Here I am writing the class of the student. Type class inside it, and again I will change it to the from multiple choice to short answer, because here students have to write their class. and again I will make it required. Now click on the plus button again. Next question will appear. So here you can write first question of your paper. Here I am writing first question. Which of the following is a rational number? Now after this, click on option 1. Remember, it is your MCQ, so keep multiple choice only. So first option is 0. Now click on the add option button. You can see after 0 there is add option. Click on add option to add your next option. When you will click on it, automatically option will be added. Then you can type here 2 upon 0 is the second option of my question. In this way you can write all options of this question. I am again making it required. Keep it multiple choice only. Now we have to convert our form in the form of a quiz. So click on setting button. You can see it on the top. Then 3 options will appear. First one is general. In general we have to click on limit to 1 response. Why I am clicking it? Because now one student can appear once only in the paper. And click on see summary also, so that students can see the summary of their paper in the end. Now click on quizzes option. And the first button is make this a quiz. Switch it on by just clicking on it. Let the other options as it is and then click on the save button. When you will click on the save button, see after your question a button named answer key will appear for the answer key of the question. Click on it. It will direct your cursor to the 0 points. Now give marks here. For example, the question is for 1 marks, so I will write 1 here. And now select your correct answer. For example, my correct answer is 0. So click on 0, it will turn green. And now you have to click on the done button. Click on done means your question is ready for the quiz. Now click on the add button again to add another question. So here I am typing my question number 2. That is all integers are. I will give options for it, but remember, keep it multiple choice. So here I type the options also. In same way I selected the correct answer also and I clicked on the done button. So I think 2 questions are enough. Now on the top the message is coming, all changes saved in Drive, means your form is automatically saved in Drive, but you can change the location also. To give appropriate location, click on the folder, then this list will appear. Then click on folder plus button and give a name to your new folder. For example, I am giving it sample. Click on the tick and click on Move Here button. It means now your form will appear in the sample folder in your Google Drive. After this, you can close your form and let us check in the Google Drive where is your form. So click on the drive, then see the first paper is your 7th maths, and you can see in your folder also. So our folder was sample. Click on it. You can see this is our folder. Click on it and inside the folder you can see your paper, that is 7th maths. Now let me tell you how you can send this paper. So click on the option button. 3 dots are there. These are options. Now click on copy link. This message will appear, means the link is copied. Now open the WhatsApp of the person where you want to send it and paste the link here. And click on the send button. But wait for a moment so that your form could be opened properly. Now click on the link to see it, and again it will appear in editing mode. To check it, you can click on the option and then preview. When you will click on preview, this is the preview of paper, means in this form the students will be able to see it. Now let us attempt it. Fill your name here, then class, and now read your first question and tick the correct answer. For example, 0 is the correct answer of first question, and suppose that I don't know the second question, so I can fill any of the option. Now click on submit button. Then students can view their score by just clicking on the view score. For example, my only one question is correct, so I could get only 1 marks out of 2. So this is the way you can create a form. Now to see responses, click on the response button and click on the Excel button to create a spreadsheet. Now when you will click on create a spreadsheet, it will direct you to the sheets. But remember, in your mobile, sheets app should be downloaded. So when you will click on it, this is the response sheet of the student, and you can see only GK appeared in the paper and he secured 1 marks out of 2. Thank you.